What's up today, guys? We're heading down to the Bloomsburg 4-wheel Jamboree. We got the Super Cab, and then if you want to know the quickest way to piss off a lot of people is the Super Cab on a trailer, but then if you want to piss them off even more, you pan over here, and it's getting towed by a Chevy.
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
So that'll piss off a lot of people, and I think it's kind of funny. So without further ado, I will see you at Bloomsburg. What's up? We're at the Jambo finally. We got everything unloaded. We got everything unloaded last night. Before I show you the Super Cab though, we got the Alaskan here. It's the first day. It's Friday. We'll give the taters a second. But we got the Alaskan over here. I'll show you the Alaskan real quick. And then cue the cinematics of the Super Cab in a second. So this is the Alaskan all polished up. I still got to put some tire wet on it and a few other little things, maybe quick detail it, but it is fully washed. Got shock plates on it. If anybody's interested, I can put these on the website. I do have them already like prefabbed, so they're all set. And then we'll cue the cinematics of the Super Cab for a second. What's up, guys? It's day 2. It is Saturday. Let's take a look around at some trucks. I'm gonna turn off the sound and just play some generic music so I don't get copyrighted because they're playing music in the background. So there you go. I got the microphone. We switched to iPhone, but the microphone connects to my iPhone, so you should be able to hear me good, and hopefully you can't hear the music so the video doesn't get copyrighted and taken down. We got bacon grilling.
Yeah, boy.
It's day 2. As you know, you just saw me walking around. That's not even like a quarter of the trucks here. I just tried to show some that a lot of you guys might like. There's a lot of everything. There's a few lowered trucks. There's lots of lifted trucks. There's Ford, Chevy, Dodge. There's even Toyota. I'm not a Toyota guy, but clearly some of you guys get mad that when I say I don't like Toyota. Probably got to detail the truck soon. It's pretty clean, but we left a cover on it overnight. The Alaskan is a total mud bath because it was raining. That's why we put the cover on. The Alaskan's got water spots all over it. We'll have to get to cleaning it soon. This one will probably need a full wash. This one is still pretty mint because it had the cover on, but there's just a couple of spots and stuff that needs to be cleaned up. The bugs really like the wax. I don't know what it is. You'll notice on a lot of trucks, and I always notice it when I put wax on this, the bugs land in it. It's gross, but whatever. The green dot means it was already judged, so they already came by and judged. They judged both trucks, honestly. The other one's got the green sticker, and there's just a whole lot of everything. There's traffic coming in over here. There's traffic coming in everywhere. There's a lot of trucks coming in. It's still pretty early. I don't know what time it is. 7:38, around that, and everybody's just starting to get here. So we're gonna have some fun today. There's monster trucks at night, fireworks, tough trucks. There's truck pulls this year, so that'll be interesting. There's a couple classes. This truck behind us has got all the stuff to get set up for sled pulling. I don't really know anything about it other than it's a 60s Ford, mid 60s before bump side. I think it's a fridge Ford. I think that's what a lot of people call it. It's got the weight rack in the back. It's got, ladder bars and all kinds of stuff. The leaf springs, that thing's got to ride like a lumber wagon. The leaf springs are like 4 inches thick. So got a whole lot of everything. There you go. Stay tuned, and I'll keep you updated.
wrapping up the four-wheel Jamboree. We're heading out of here. We have the truck loaded up on the trailer yet again. Ford being towed by a Chevy. Everybody's favorite combo, I guess. Gotta make sure the Ford gets home, right? So I'll see you guys when we're at home, give you a quick update, and wrap up this YouTube video.